Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at a fun and functional toy vacuum, the Casdon Henry Hetty Toys, Hetty Vacuum Cleaner. This pink vacuum cleaner toy is designed to let kids get in on the cleaning action with a realistic twist. It mimics a real vacuum in both design and function, offering an engaging and educational playtime experience for children aged 3 and up. Let's jump into what makes this little vacuum so special. The Hetty Vacuum Cleaner is an authentic-looking replica that will have your kids feeling like they're doing the real thing. It's not just for show, it actually has working suction, which is pretty impressive for a toy. Now, it's not going to suck up heavy debris, but it's perfectly suited for lightweight items like paper and small bits of dust. If you're wondering, this toy is powered by 4C batteries, which are easy to replace, and the vacuum includes a removable debris drawer to collect those little bits of mess. The vacuum's dimensions are 8.27 inches in length, 8.66 inches in width, and 9.06 inches in height, weighing in at just 2.45 pounds, making it light enough for young kids to maneuver around the house. What makes this toy stand out, though, is its ability to help children develop useful life skills through play. It encourages imaginative role-playing, giving kids the chance to feel grown up while they clean alongside the adults. And it doesn't stop at just the vacuum. Casdon's Henry Hetty toy line has a range of other cleaning toys, like a mop, bucket, and trolley, sold separately to really round out the cleaning experience. So, your child can set up their very own little cleaning crew, learning how to care for their space while having fun. Now, the Hetty toy vacuum isn't exactly designed to tackle the tough jobs around the house, but it's perfect for small messes. It won't clean up dirt, but it will pick up those little paper bits, tiny crumbs, and other lightweight debris. The working suction might be light, but it adds an element of realism that kids love. That said, it's crucial to remember that this vacuum is only intended for play and shouldn't be used to clean up anything larger than small debris. It's also worth mentioning that the suction strength, while adequate for a toy, is not comparable to what you'd expect from an adult vacuum cleaner. The Hetty vacuum comes with a few handy nozzle accessories to help with different surfaces and cleaning tasks, though don't expect it to reach under furniture or cover a large area. It's more of a pretend play toy than a serious cleaning tool, but it does its job well for what it is. Plus, kids will get the satisfaction of pressing buttons, pulling the vacuum around, and cleaning the floor just like mom and dad. When it comes to handling, the Hetty vacuum is designed for little hands. It's light enough for young children to pick up and move around with ease, though it might be a bit bulkier for very small toddlers. Its simple, easy-to-use design makes it a solid choice for any 3-year-old looking to imitate adult chores. But while the build quality feels solid, it's still lightweight, and the materials aren't quite the same as you'd find in a real vacuum cleaner. However, that's to be expected from a toy. In terms of maintenance, the Hetty vacuum is incredibly low maintenance. It's easy to empty out the debris drawer and doesn't require any complicated upkeep. As long as you replace the batteries when needed, there's little to worry about. The toy is also quite durable, built to withstand typical kid wear and tear. Of course, like any toy, it's not indestructible, but it's definitely sturdy enough to last through hours of imaginative cleaning play. If you're wondering about value for money, the Hetty vacuum is priced as a toy and not a full-scale cleaning tool, so its cost reflects that. Considering how much fun it offers and the educational value it provides, it's a fair price for what it delivers. It's not going to replace your regular vacuum, but it will definitely offer hours of imaginative play while helping teach kids valuable skills. For a quick comparison, there are a few other toy vacuums in this category, but the Hetty stands out due to its real suction and engaging design. Some alternatives might focus more on simple pretend play with no functional features, while others might come with more attachments or different designs. But for a toy that mimics a real vacuum, the Hetty does a great job of striking that balance between realism and functionality. As for customer support, since this is a toy and not a high-tech device, you likely won't need to interact with customer service much. But Casdon has a good reputation for providing reliable toys, and if anything were to go wrong, They offer standard support for issues like faulty parts or missing accessories. In the end, the Hetty Vacuum Cleaner is a great choice for children looking to emulate their parents and take on some cleaning chores of their own, just in a fun, pretend way. It's lightweight, has real suction, and comes with accessories that make it feel like the real deal. It's not for tackling serious messes, but for educational and imaginative play, it's perfect. If you're looking for a toy that encourages role play and responsibility, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching! If you're interested in getting your hands on the Hetty Vacuum, check out the link in the comments box below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your own experiences if you already own one. Until next time, stay clean. Just don't expect this vacuum to handle your home's real dirt.